Hi everyone, I'm Allie.
I am Corentin, and
Welcome
welcome to
to
the
the
Vinified Club.
Wine Club. And for our second wine, we are headed to Saumur, and I think I'll let Corentin take it from here.
Yes, Ali said that because I am from Nantes, which is the main city in the Loire Valley. And if you go upstream the river an hour and a half east, you head to Saumur village.
Saumur is such a beautiful appellation, and they are known for their Cabernet Franc, Chenin Blanc, and Cremant. They have some of the best in the world.
Yes, that's true. And today we are trying Chateau de Parnay, which is in Saumur Champigny, which is a smaller appellation area within the Saumur area. They produce 100% Cab Franc. This is the cuvée Blason de Parnay, certified organic, vintage 2018.
Let's taste it. Cabernet Franc is a beautiful grape varietal that is usually light, medium bodied with very balanced acidity. I usually get raspberry and more earthy notes. People say the giveaway is bell pepper, which I don't always get, but maybe that's because I don't really like bell pepper.
So are you excited?
I'm so excited to try this wine.
Can you tell?
I love Cabernet Franc.
We get the raspberry, the
Yes,
red
yeah,
fruit
the red
notes,
fruit notes for sure.
but some more jammy, riper black fruit notes as well.
And there's some earthiness, almost like a gravel.
Good extraction, high level of tannins, definitely the acidity is there, nice freshness, very long lasting flavors. Red fruit flavors are here, the earthy notes, a little bit of coffee notes as well.
Cabernet Franc is such a great food-friendly wine. I always do it with tomato-based sauces. Think pastas, meatballs. I even love it with barbecue.
Barbecue, definitely, roasted chicken. Today we had Frédéric Lornay from Jura, appellation Arbois Cuvée Abbaye, vintage 2016. And we had Blason de Parnay from Chateau de Parnay estate in Saumur Champigny, Loire Valley, 100% Cab Franc, vintage 2018.
You can order both of these wines today at vinified.com.
We'll put the two links below the video.
If you like the video, give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel, we would love it.
Thank you for watching.
And have a great day.
Santé!
Santé!